Hello lovely people. In today's video I'm going to be teaching you how to make record keeping book for your rabbits farm. If today is your first time on this channel, don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel, like, share and comment for more updates about rabbit farm. I go by the name Inky Samuel Ewusi. Stay tuned and let's see how to prepare this record keeping book for your rabbits farm. See you. This is our record keeping book for our rabbits. Yes, when we come here, we have the bulk breed type or name, the name of your breed or the breed type of your rabbit. We have it over here. We have the mated date over here. We also have the nesting box date. We also have the case born date, the total case born, and the survivor at 8th week. So this is the template that we are going to use to draw the record keeping book for your rabbit farm. I said we have the bulk breed type or name, the mated date, the nesting box date, the case born date, the total case born, and the survivor at 8th week. So let's say we have California and then Lionhead. The California is my male rabbit, and then the Lionhead is my doe, which is called the female rabbit. So I'm going to cross them. This is the California, so I'm going to cross with the Lionhead. Yes, this is the California and the Lionhead. This California is my male rabbit and this Lionhead is my doe, which is the female rabbit. Let's take for instance I cross them on 1st June. Yes, 1st June 2024. Here is it, 1st June 2024. I will advise you, the farmer, to introduce your nesting box a week before the patrician. Someone may ask, what is the patrician? Patrician is the art of giving birth in rabbit farm. That is the meaning of patrician. So when it's time for your rabbit to deliver, you have to introduce a nesting box inside so that the rabbit can go inside and do the patrician in there. So let's say you introduce your nesting box a week before, let's say 25th June 2024. This 25th June 2024 is when you are going to introduce your nesting box over here. This record keeping books actually lets you, the farmer, to identify a good mothering ability in some of your rabbits. It also helps you to know the prolific breeder of your rabbits. This record keeping books actually prevents you from inbreeding. Yeah, inbreeding is where a male rabbit is mating on its own mother or sister. This actually kills a lot of babies during their weaning stage. Yes, it actually kills a lot of babies. So let's say you introduce your nesting box in 25th June 2024. Yeah, the case born date should be, let's say, 1st July 2024. Already this is the distance that your rabbit is supposed to be giving birth. They actually get pregnancy 30 days or 31 days. Yeah, that is it. So your case born date, you have to record them, which is 1st January 2024. Yes. The total case born, let's say 11 babies. Yes, it was your female rabbit was able to give out 11 babies. At the surviving stage, let's say uh 10 babies were able to survive. Yes, this is actually how to make your rabbit keeping book. Thank you very much. Okay, this is the record keeping book for your rabbit. This is it, so that in case when your rabbit grows, you know and able to identify them. Okay, if this channel been very useful to you, don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel, like, share and comment for more updates about rabbit farming. I go by the name Entry Samuel Ewisi.